Hey, B.
What's up?
I know you got a brother in Henderson PD, correct?
My brother-in-law,
Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, Anthony.
Yeah.
Is
So-
Henderson SWAT. He's been in SWAT full-time, I think, for 7 years now. Good kid. He's a cop because of me. Been married to his sister
Inspired
for 27
by you.
years.
Fantastic.
Yep.
So I guess they had an OIS a while ago, a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, I think it was
something
just
like
last week.
that, right?
Yeah.
So
He called me and told me about it. I didn't see any video or anything, so.
okay. Well, we're gonna roll the clip, and I want you to tell me what you think. How Henderson responds to a woman with a knife. DV call. Apparently, 2 sisters, or a mother and a daughter.
Okay.
Okay. So
All right. Let's see how Henderson does.
let's see what Hendo does.
Hey, come here, man. Hey, get away. Hey, put the knife down. Put the knife down. Control, we got contact. We got one at gunpoint. She's refusing to put the knife down. Put the knife down. Watch your backdrop, Yuli. Hey, put the knife down now.
All
We're
right.
going to be by the playground area. Hey, get away. Put the
Doing
knife
good
down.
so far.
Put the knife down now. Yuli, watch your backdrop. Get away.
Back up, ma'am!
Back up. Put the knife down. Hey, watch your backdrop. Yuli,
She's
put
advancing.
the knife down. Back up.
Yeah.
Put the knife down. We don't want to shoot you. Back up. We don't want to shoot you. Put the knife down now. Put the knife down.
I already
Hey,
see
do
something
not
that's
take another
wrong.
Step and put the knife down. Stop. Put the knife down now. Yuli, back up. Create distance. Yep. Hey, put the knife down now. Stop. Stop.
Steve, can you pause for a sec? What do you see there? What did you see?
Well, I didn't-
Their
I-
communications.
Yeah, he just said the same thing over and over.
Okay.
And there was no low lethal.
Exactly.
There was no low lethal. Where was the 40?
No taser. No
Where's
nothing.
the taser
right?
and the 40? Yeah, got to get busy with that 40.
Okay, so let's say exit circumstance. It happens fast, right?
It always does.
It's on your hip. The taser's on your hip,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
She wasn't advancing fast. She was just
No,
walking
she's
toward
just
him,
walking.
right?
Yep, just walking.
Man, all right.
But yeah, eventually you have to stop saying drop the knife.
Yeah.
You gotta speak to they're human. There's a reason she's walking around with the knife, America, right?
Right, yeah.
In Henderson. So maybe find out why. Ask her name. Why are you doing this? What can we do to avoid this? What can we do to calm you down and have you drop the knife? What can we do to help you? That's what stuff I'd be saying right off the bat.
Yeah.
All right.
Put the knife down.
Because if she doesn't drop it the first 30 times, she ain't gonna drop it.
All right, Sergeant.
Put the
So,
knife down now.
Need to change your approach.
Let's get some cover.
Hey, get away. Put the knife down.
He's a sergeant.
Put the
Okay.
knife down.
Don't do it. Please.
Hey, watch your backdrop. Get
Hey,
away.
back up, ma'am! Back the fuck up!
Knife down.
Back up!
So this is the female's body camera.
Back the fuck up!
Back up.
Please, ma'am. Hey, we're here to help you. Listen to me.
Back
Listen
up.
to me.
We don't want to shoot you.
Listen
Put
to
the
me.
knife down
We're here
now.
to help you, okay?
Put the knife
Understand?
down. Hey,
We're
do
here
not
to help
take
you,
another
okay?
step. Put the knife down.
Ma'am?
Stop.
Ma'am,
Put the
please.
knife down now.
Why
Sarge,
why
let's
not
back up.
use
Let's
the
get
play
closer.
equipment
Let's get closer.
Yeah.
you know, something between you and her instead of walking straight back?
Where the wounds at?
Oh, they shot her.
Yep, they shot her.
Did we not get to see them shoot? Or
Hey, get my IFAC from the car. Huh? Get my IFAC from the car. You got it? Hey.
I missed
Hey,
the
get
shoot
my
part.
IFAC from the car right now.
What do you
Hey,
need your iPad
what's
for?
her name?
Is it iPad?
He said get my iPad from the car.
Hey, what's her name? Hey,
Oh, now
breathe,
you
breathe,
ask
breathe.
her
You're
name.
gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Hey, I got you. I got you. You're gonna be fine.
Man, I don't know if I
You're
like
gonna be
that.
fine, okay?
Just there's no secondary unit as far as low lethal.
Yeah.
Right,
Let's
taser,
see,
40.
see the part where they shoot her again. So right there. So he's at least 30 feet.
Yeah,
Good 30 feet. There's
They could-
20,
they could
25
have used
feet.
that playground equipment just to keep stuff in
Yeah.
between them. You know,
She
just
can't
to
get
buy
to them
more
if they're
time.
running around it. Yep.
So
Hey,
So
come
what
here.
do we know about the
Hey,
female?
get away.
she survived.
She survived?
Yeah, it was a 417 between her and her mom.
How many shots were fired?
I think just one.
One shot?
Yeah,
Okay.
but
Not bad, Henderson. Not bad. Not bad.
yeah, but there was no less than lethal presented, right?
Correct. Yep.
That could
Need to
have
have
totally been avoided. If she got hit
Yep.
by a taser, she would have dropped.
Yep.
And probably fell on a knife and stabbed herself like they always
Like
do.
the one video.
Right?
They're like,
Or-
oops, they roll her over. Oops. Knife went all the way through her in her chest.
right through her
Oopsie.
heart, right?
I think it killed her, yeah.
Yeah, but
You know, one thing I'll point out also is having somebody coming around the back behind her.
yeah,
To me, that's priceless. If you're engaging with her and talking to her, you're distracting her.
absolutely.
So the first thing I do when I get there, if hopefully there's 2 officers there, which there was. If you get the third officer, you come around the back behind her. This way she doesn't see you. So now you have a perfect setup for a taser, right?
Yep.
Because now you have the back exposed,
the meaty
which is
part of the back.
meaty part of the back,
Yep.
the butt, the legs, back of the legs. So when you tase her with that, it's going to be a lot more effective than trying to hit her from the front.
Yeah, but you're going to have the guy saying, "Well, that's a crossfire. You're putting yourself right in the middle of, in line."
Well,
but you just if you work
look,
together, you know.
Yeah, you work together, you know. Policing is very dangerous work.
It
Hopefully
is.
your friends are not going to shoot you while they see you coming up to tase. Because we've done this on calls.
Oh, yeah.
We've done it. I've probably done it a couple times.
Yeah.
The one time I did it, I was the guy sneaking up behind him. Taser was ineffective. I dropped the taser and I went hands on,
Yeah.
pulled him down to the ground.
Yeah.
As soon as I put my hands on, the other officer ran, grabbed the hand. He didn't have a knife. He had brass knuckles.
Yeah.
Grabbed his arms. I put him in a LV&R and back lying and laid down on the ground until we disarmed him.
Yeah. No.
So you have to take a risk. I mean,
well, she didn't pose a real threat. I mean, I think she just wanted to get shot. I think she was saying, "Shoot me, shoot me, shoot me."
suicide by cop.
Yeah. And
Happens all
that
the
could have
time.
been prevented altogether by one of those low lethal options. Honestly.
Agreed.
Right.
Agreed. Low lethal. That's why we have low lethal. Is when we have somebody with an edged weapon or a bat, something that you can really hurt somebody with or kill somebody with, we always have lethal and low lethal.
Yeah.
So this way you have options. It's not just lethal.
Yeah.
Now, if it's a gun, you don't bring
Yeah.
low lethal to a gunfight.
You don't.
It's always lethal. So
Yeah.
few mistakes.
Yeah.
But I think they did
Good
they did
communication.
good. Great communication. My only
They
thing
kept
again,
space between them and
the space was great.
Yeah.
We all know the 21-foot rule.
yeah.
America, if you don't know the 21-foot rule, it was came up with by the Force and Science Research Company in 1985, I believe. And it states that by the time an officer visualizes the threat that he's got a knife, if the guy with the knife starts coming at me,
A
by
full
the time
charge. A full charge.
full charge, by the time I draw a holstered weapon and fire one unsighted shot, meaning I just go bang, I'm not bringing it up to get front sights, the suspect travels the distance of 21 feet.
Yeah.
And that's very important because with his forward momentum or her forward momentum, they can still
You're gonna
get to you
get
and still
stabbed.
stab you.
Yeah.
So 21-foot rule, some people I heard cops saying it was made up. It's like, oh, they
No.
just made up that number. It sounds good.
No.
Like if you research it, I know because Gonzo and I shot a guy who attacked me with 2 knives.
He was 8 feet.
He was like 6 feet, big
He looked like Charlie, bro.
big biker dude.
Dude.
He was like 6'3", 6'4", big beard.
Yeah.
I just remember him coming around the corner and he was like, ah! And I
Yeah.
was like, ah!
Yeah. Yeah, dude. I remember that, dude.
And yes, that was scary, man. It was scary, but he almost got me. But first round hit him in the hip,
Pow.
second round hit him in the heart. He is no longer with us.
No.
He will not
Well,
be joining us for
no.
the rest of his life. But
Choices we make, right?
it's choice, consequences, man, consequences.
Yeah. So
So anyway, what do you want to? How many donuts do you want to give them? I mean, they're our neighbors, Henderson and all,
I'm gonna say.
but we can't show.
I know. I'm gonna
favorites.
say. I'm gonna
Can't
say.
show favorites.
I'm gonna say 7.
7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just because we want to save lives, right? And by
Correct.
deploying the right tools for the job could have. I mean, she didn't die, but now she's gonna go to the hospital and be
Correct.
laid out for a while.
Maybe she didn't even need to be shot.
exact. That's what I'm saying.
You always want to try the low lethal because, yes, we're here to help people. What good is somebody showing up to a place where they have a gun to their head and we're saying we're going
Right.
to shoot you? Well, I'm going to kill myself. Well, no, I'm going to shoot you first.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to save you. Not
Are you
just
good with
shoot
7?
you. Yeah, I could do 7 donuts. Yeah.
Okay, 7
do
donuts
7
for
donuts.
our boys in Hendo.
Boys in blue.
Yeah,
They were blue over here in Hendo.
absolutely.
All right. If you have any comments, whether you think it was a good shoot, bad shoot, leave them below. Like it, subscribe, ring that bell, and make sure you subscribe. A lot of you people watching, you're not subscribed.
Click that button. Come on.
That perturbs me. Okay? I see a little problem here. You guys need to start hitting subscribe. Matter of fact, we'll do it together. Bring your finger up, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Look at that. It took you a whole second of your life,
Yeah.
but it really helps us out, helps the channel out. Thanks for watching.
And those who are still serving, have a safe tour duty.
Make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.